He is your attorney.
Nope, I am firing him and I'm doing it myself.
That's not your choice at this point.
Yes, it is my choice.
No, it's not.
Then I will be filing a motion to have you taken off this case too.
You're free to file whatever motions you would like. You're not in charge here. Okay?
You're not in charge either. I'm giving him my list. Shut up. Okay? Yourself.
This courtroom hearing quickly turned into a heated confrontation. Michael English asked the judge to remove his attorney, saying he wanted to represent himself. But the judge explained that he had already been assigned multiple attorneys and would not simply appoint another lawyer because he disagreed with their advice. The judge ruled that his current attorney would remain on the case and would represent him at trial. But tensions exploded when English continued arguing and talking over the court. The judge finally issued a warning. Stop interrupting or face contempt. English continued, and the judge sentenced him to 90 days in county jail for direct contempt and removed him from the courtroom. What do you think? Was the judge right to take such strong action? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more courtroom drama and legal analysis.
Another attorney.
Yeah, if you don't, I'll be forced to represent myself if I can't get another one appointed to me.
Okay. All right, Mr. Horowitz. Well, Mr. Seeger, you mind jumping in on this? I don't know. I know I'm catching you.
Yeah, Your Honor, I guess the procedure, at least as I understand, Mr. Travis was initially presented with Mr. Horowitz. Generally speaking, I try and afford someone if they want a separate counsel on occasion, but generally I don't want to get into the idea of forever rotating our attorneys for which the end result is going to continue to be the same.
So just for the record, Mr. Seeger is the MIDC administrator for Kalkaska County, and he's present at the back of the courtroom. I asked for clarification on the status of counsel, and he's indicated for the record, to the extent that the microphone didn't pick it up, that Mr. English was initially assigned Mr. Travis as counsel, that upon his request, Mr. English's request, he was removed and Mr. Horowitz was assigned. So Mr. English, we don't have just a never-ending stable of attorneys to continue every time you decide you don't like one.
It's not that he wasn't saying I don't like them, it's just they're not doing their job.
Well, what you believe to be their job. Again, that's a very subjective.
I've already wrote the assistant attorney general at Zen Pierce about this too, to report my complaints with them about Ziegler and Horowitz and Travis. So
right. So again, whether you think somebody's doing their job or not is a very subjective thing. And so it's not just up to you to decide, I don't like the way they're doing their job, and then I could appoint 5, 10 different attorneys for you, and you might decide you don't think any of them are doing their job. And then what do we do? I mean, do you think that I should just continue to appoint you new attorneys, and then when you decide that you don't think they're doing their job, I just choose another one? Like, how many should I go through before I'm asking you?
I'd say I have to keep going through them. He's not doing his job, and he's trying to coerce a key witness in this case to admit that I'm guilty to him, then he should not be my attorney.
Okay. All right. Well, as far as I can see from the proceedings that we've had, Mr. Horowitz is adequately representing you. You may not agree with the advice that he's giving you, but that's not his job, is to tell you what you want to hear. His job is to advise you about what he thinks your best options are, and you may not agree with that. But I'm not going to appoint another attorney for you. If you want to hire your own attorney, you're free to do that at any time. All right, Mr. Horowitz, I'm going to have you remain counsel of record, so that if Mr. English decides that he wants to consult with you, that he could do that. This isn't a standby appointment. I'm going to have you remain counsel of record, but I'm going to address Mr. English individually. And then if this is going to go to trial, we'll figure out how we're going to proceed on that.
Understood. Thank you.
But at this point, I don't find that Mr. English is making a knowing and voluntary and unequivocal waiver of counsel. So, Mr. English, how do you want to proceed with your case?
Do
you want your options would be to enter into some kind of plea agreement with the prosecutor, or
not doing no agreement
to go to trial?
I'll take it to trial.
Okay. All right. Mr. Ziegler,
subpoenas for my witnesses.
Yep, Mr. Horowitz will help
He's not
you.
my attorney.
He is your attorney.
Nope, I am firing him and I'm doing it myself.
That's not your choice at this point.
Yes, it is my choice.
No, it's not.
Then I will be filing a motion to have you taken off this case too.
You're free to file whatever motions you would like, but he's going to remain your attorney. You can choose to work with them or not. That's up to you. But he'll be preparing your case and presenting your case in front of the jury. Yes, he will.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're not in charge here. Okay.
You're not in charge either. Because I will be, like I
I
said,
am in charge.
I've already wrote the judges or the Michigan Judicial Tenure Commission about you too. So
You can do all of that, but until they do
so
something.
you are under investigation, along with him and him. So you're not, no.
That's fine, but until
I'm
that
not having him
happens,
represent me, so no.
until that happens, I am in charge. Okay, so you can say whatever you want, but that's the facts. You can accept those.
Facts is that he's not my attorney.
He is your attorney.
No.
Okay.
I will be filing.
Mr. Ziegler, how much
too.
time do you need to be ready for trial in this case?
Your Honor, we could be ready within 90 days.
Mr. Horowitz,
Good luck with that.
understanding that
So
you
you don't
have
have to-
difficulties with your client, is that enough time for you to be ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ziegler, how many days of trial do you think we would need in this case?
Your Honor, I think 1 day on each file would be sufficient.
Okay, I think we just had one. We have 2 files up for today.
There is a second file, Your Honor. There's only one out for today.
Are they going to be joined for trial?
They are not, Your Honor. There's separate incidents. I believe they occurred on different days. So I wouldn't be filing any motions for joinder.
So is 4925, which is the file we're dealing with today, would that be the earliest in time?
It would, Your Honor.
Oh, so we'll try that one first. You said 1 day?
Yes, Your Honor. I think that would be sufficient.
All right, Mr. Horowitz, do you think 1 day would be enough time?
I think the only thing that it depends on is if Mr. English has witnesses that he wants to be subpoenaed, that could affect the length of the trial. But at this point, I don't know that he will provide me the list of which witnesses he wishes to have.
Was fleeted on looting? I have a whole list.
Okay, so we'll set this, I'll set it for 2 days, let's get it safe. We'll set it for a jury trial. Mr. English, please, I'm trying to make a record here.
I'm giving him my list. Shut up.
You say that again, I'm going to find that you're in contempt.
Go ahead.
I'll find that you're in contempt. I'm going to sentence you to 90.
This courtroom hearing quickly turned into a heated confrontation. Michael English asked the judge to remove his attorney, saying he wanted to represent himself. But the judge explained that he had already been assigned multiple attorneys and would not simply appoint another lawyer because he disagreed with their advice. The judge ruled that his current attorney would remain on the case and would represent him at trial. But tensions exploded when English continued arguing and talking over the court. The judge finally issued a warning. Stop interrupting or face contempt. English continued, and the judge sentenced him to 90 days in county jail for direct contempt and removed him from the courtroom. What do you think? Was the judge right to take such strong action? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more courtroom drama and legal analysis.